At the very end of our Parshat Teitzei, we have the Parsha of Amalek, the Parsha that we actually read on Shabbat Zachor. So the very end of Parshat Teitzei, Zachor et asher asa lecha Amalek baderech. And the interesting point is, adjacent to it, right before, juxtaposed, is the mitzvah of hin tzedek, the honesty and integrity in business between people. And Rashi already brings the Chazal that the reason is because when you have dishonesty in business, that causes our enemies, that causes Amalek to come. And perhaps one of the fundamental reasons behind that is that when you don't have trust within the society only could be a community when to the level of the trust that's between people. If I have to watch my back every moment, then there's no community. It's a bunch of people living together. It's a jungle. It's not real community. It's not real family. To the degree that you have trust, to that degree you bond together as a people, as a united nation. And that is the key to Amalek. Amalek came, the Gematria of Amalek is Safek. When you throw doubt inside the mind of people, the initial attack of Amalek was when we said, Hayesh Hashem bekirbenu im ayin. We had doubt if Hashem is behind us, if Hashem is not behind us. But and to that degree, within society is the same thing. But you can't trust, is this person trustworthy, is that person not trustworthy? That causes the Amalek to have a tfisa, a real foothold. That's why you find that by the story of Purim, the way Haman started the attack against the Jews was Yeshno am mefozar umeforad bechol medirot malchutecha. They are separate. They are not together, not united. And the way we combated that was Esther saying, "Kenos et kol haYehudim," and gather all of the Jews, all of them as one united people. And that is really the mirror effect of our relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Whenever we are together, united, and we are with Hashem also like that, the enemies cannot penetrate, cannot rule over us. But when Chas v'Shalom, a person destroys that trust within the community, that makes us vulnerable to the enemies, physical enemies as well. That's something very powerful, very beautiful to encounter as we read the parasha of Amalek. Have a wonderful day.